In our experience, we've seen a lot of benefit associated with online journeys. I think it's just the transition that is, that is making people hard to kind of think about how the new world is going to look like. When we think about human connect, I think it is important to think about why do you need that human connect? Why? What is it that is going missing with going virtual? And there are a bunch of different things that come to our minds. When we think about going completely virtual, sometimes the real objection is that, yeah, when you go virtual, how is it that in a real environment there is an instructor who's really looking at each and every participant, making observations. The person knows how each person is performing in the training environment, and therefore it makes it much easier to kind of to carry that observation forward and work with those people in the real environment.
Yeah.
So I think what is really, really important to think about is accountability. If the idea is observation, if the idea is to know how each person is performing, what is really important is to think about, how is it that you're bringing accountability into that environment. And accountability can also be you can use a bunch of different ways in a digital world to bring in accountability. You can do synchronous instructor sessions. You can, really giving them an opportunity to ask questions, debrief, the different things that they learned in a self-paced environment. You could also do make use of collaborative learning, build a community of practice, ask learners to, share their experiences there, have them engage, really connect with each other. And yeah, bunch of different things. If the idea, for example, is to bring in engagement, the engagement can also be brought in through the use of stories. The real, the way people kind of connect to each other can also be done virtually using videos and things like those.